Good morning, it's good to see you. Glad you could join me. This morning I think my son and I are going to take a drive up north towards the Richland Creek Wilderness Area. See if we can take in a few waterfalls and just go for a ride. It's such a lovely day today. Sun's out, the temperature is just absolutely wonderful. Look at my ferns. Are those not good looking ferns? I say my ferns. They're my wife's ferns. Man. What a beautiful day. Let's go for a ride. We've made it to our first stop, Falling Waterfalls. It's a little crowded today. It's Friday. I figured it would be. School's out. Oh yeah, it's a swimming hole.
Really?
Yeah. A lot of people swim down here. So that's the trail. The bridge is down there. We're parked on the other side of the bridge. You can park on this side. But this is the trail we're going to head up. We're going to go see if we can find a fuzzy butt. What'd you say? You hope they don't mean by fuzzy butt?
I said hopefully around here they don't call bears fuzzy butts, because if that's the case, it wouldn't be very fun to find one.
So I guess you could call one a fuzzy butt.
Yeah.
So what we're looking for is a box canyon. Box canyon will be off to the left side of the trail. The creek is down to the right side. This is also a horse trail, so you got to watch out for horse apples.
Yeah.
These are called Flat Stanley Falls, if I'm not mistaken. And then there's a trail besides the Flat Stanley Falls that goes up at Horsetail Falls, if you want to go look at that. But we got to cross this because I want to go see a fuzzy butt. Alright. I just love how that cascades down those rocks like that.
That looks really pretty.
So at that first place we stopped, most popular place called Falling Waterfalls, popular swimming hole. Looky here. We had this whole place to ourselves.
Well, to be fair, we do kind of have it to ourselves because we off-roaded, but
Yeah.
still a really nice view.
We had a lot of rain over Memorial Day weekend. So, I mean, every day, all 3 days of the Memorial Day weekend, it rained, just steady. So, here a week later, it's perfect. Water's not too high, it's not too low. All right, let's move on. We're still looking for that fuzzy butt. Oh.
Through the water.
Yeah. Oh, it's some water here. Water crossing. So here we are at the box canyon. Got big rock faces on either side. You go up in there. We'll find Fuzzy Butt Falls up in there, and this right here will give you a good idea before you even going up in there how well it's running. It should look spectacular. We're almost there. Beautiful in here. think it's worth it?
Oh yeah,
Absolutely.
100%.
Look at this. That's the Fuzzy Butt Falls. That's the fuzzy butt we was looking for.
That's a skipper right there.
That's a heavy skipper. It's amazing the abundance of beauty we have here in this state. I know it's not exclusive to Arkansas, but there's just something about it I love here.
That is really pretty. That water, that color on it though, is just so different from regular water and rivers and stuff that you see.
It's the rock. It doesn't have a dirt bottom, so it's the minerals in the rock. What a fantastic day.
Amazing day.
What a fantastic day Ewan and I have had. With that said, we're gonna go get us something to eat. And until next time, we'll see you later. Oh, this is steep. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified when future videos come out. We'll see you guys next time.